Hello mates, we're gonna be building my first custom mechanical keyboard. I got the AKKO CS Silvers. I had someone loop them for me because I looked up a tutorial and there's no freaking way I'm gonna do that. My attention span wouldn't last. And I got the glorious Celestial Ice. Really pretty keycaps, all I'm gonna say. And then yeah, Keychron Q1 bare bones version. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some like editing magic and yeah, alright man, this is like this is the quietest I can get this room to be, so yeah, gonna have to test it like this. Alright, this is my building a custom keyboard. Yeah, it's not really ASMR-esque, but this will have to do. Hey, thank you guys for watching and peace. Yeah.